Okay, to try to get this guy a little better centered up, as you can see, he's wobbling like crazy here right now. That's not hard to fix. What was hard to fix is this part here. You can see this is just a tiny little square. Just a little guy. Very accurate. I'll put him right up against this. You can see I'm not going to get this perfect. Pretty darn close. I mean, that's I gotta say that's way better than it was. So I'm gonna finish screwing down these holders. Those metal brackets will come off and she'll be in a solid position for me to focus on laying out the outside edge here to get the whole thing round to balance. So it's balanced this way and then it's balanced this way. Then I can go back to just focusing on this part here. This appears to be working. It's just once I'm done with the balancing and everything, combination with this is positioning of magnets and the precise positioning of this guy here. This is a reed switch, and I need to make this more mobile. I might use something like this guy here or something, take bits and pieces of this off, kind of use that to help me angle it up, or I'll have to create some kind of a jig because I need this to be more adjustable. Anyway, wish me luck.